we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of CoolSub heat press, 15x 15-inch, slide-out heat press machine. Consists of the following features. 15x 15 industrial slide-out heat press. CoolSub's 15x 15 slide-out heat press machine perfect appearance design. The heating plate is made of Teflon non-stick material, easy to clean and safe to use on clothing. The full pull-out drawer heat press can print on flat items such as t-shirts, bags, and tiles using HTV, DTF film or heat sublimation paper. Adjustment pressure design. The digital industrial clamshell sublimation heat press is equipped with a full range of pressure adjustment knobs that can be easily customized to the thickness of the material. A simple turn of the knob ensures even pressure for long-lasting sublimation. Upgrade slide-out heat press. The heat transfer machine features an upgraded sliding base plate that allows the machine to work easier and more efficiently, reducing the chance of accidental contact when transferring clothes, making it ideal for homes and businesses. Intuitive digital control panel. Our heat press is equipped with a digital LCD control panel, which has been upgraded to allow you to control the temp and time more precisely during the t-shirt printing process. Temp range 0 to 440 degrees Fahrenheit, time range 0 to 999 seconds. Wide application. The press is widely used or transfer image for t-shirts, clothes, mouth pads, rock photos, tiles, backpack, school bag, wallet bag, and other flat surfaces items by using the flex, flocking, transfer printing paper, sublimation, vinyl, DTF film and more. Suitable for various applications such as for industrial, professional or home use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.